To delete a WhatsApp group from all members, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone and go to the group. And make sure you are the admin of the group. Tap the group name at the top, scroll down, and come to this member list. Here you will find all your group members. Now, before deleting the group from all members, we have to remove all members from the group, and then we will delete the group permanently. So just go ahead and remove all group members one by one, because here is no option to remove all members at once. So manually remove everyone. And then once you are the one and only member in the group, just tap on exit group and select exit and delete for me. And then tap on delete group, and the group will permanently delete from all members, including yourself. Thanks for watching.